everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you're all doing well and really keeping safe. Even I am doing good. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I am Anjali and you're watching Ashley's Heaven. Hope everyone are watching my videos regularly. So if you are not getting my videos, that is because you are not subscribing to my channel and you are not enabling the notifications bar. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and under notifications enable all so that you will receive the notifications of all the videos that I upload in future. So without much late, let's get started. So before we get into the video, on my lips I have applied this beautiful shade from Maybelline New York Liquid Matte Lipstick under the shade 11 Made Easy. This is absolutely great shade for medium to dusky skin tone, guys. So if anyone of you are under my skin tone, then you can definitely try this. This is a really great lipstick, guys. So this is just super. So today's video is all about a beginner's makeup kit. Okay, so I have chosen few of the products which is very affordable and easily available so that you can make it as a beginner friendly makeup kit. So for any beginners who are looking out for a affordable and super products to start to make it as your makeup kit, then you can definitely watch this video. Please do watch the complete video to know what all I have included in this makeup kit. So the first and foremost product for your skin is obviously a skincare. So for skincare, I have chosen this Pond's moisturizer, which is suitable for which gives a non-oily look, and this has vitamin E plus glycerin, and this gives a very soft and glowing skin. This is just superb and it really suits all the skin type, guys. So if you are even if you are an oily skin type, you can just try this out because it worked really good for me, and this gives a very soft and at the same time glowing look, and at the same time this doesn't leave any oily greasy texture on your skin. This is just superb. Earlier I have already reviewed this product, so here is the iCard above. If anyone of you have missed, can definitely watch this, guys. I would say this is a great product if you want to use a moisturizer which is not too costly. At the same time it gives a very good result, then you can definitely go for this moisturizer. So this is 75 ml packaging and this costed me around 120 rupees, and you also have various sizes in this. You also have the smaller version of this. Even then, if you want to purchase the smaller one, that will cost you only below 100 rupees. So this is a great moisturizer for you guys as a beginner. Okay guys, so the next product that I'm going to introduce to you is this Gulabri 3-in-1 rose water. So this is actually, you can use this as a face cleanser, a moisturizer, and also as a refreshener. So if you want to use this as a toner, you can even use this. So this comes below 100 rupees and it is this retails for around 75 rupees. So yeah, this is a very good product, guys. You can use this as a cleanser as well. This is a great product, I must say. So if any beginner who are looking for a budget friendly cleanser, then you can definitely go for this. This is absolutely superb, guys. So I really liked it and I have been continuously using this. So for a beginner, this is just awesome. Not only for beginners, for everyone who are looking for a budget friendly or this is actually a great product, guys, for everyone. So you can definitely try this out. So this is my next product. Now let's move on to the lip balm category. So here I am showing you this Lakme Lip Love lip balm. So lip balms, you have your freedom to choose your favorite product, because lip balms you can select it at your choice, because there are multiple lip balms available right from below 50 rupees starting, and then you have a costlier one as well. So it is your freedom completely, but I would say you can go for this Lakme Love lip balm, because this is hydrating and it also gives a glossy look at the same time, but it's slightly tinted as well. But that doesn't give a complete tint on your lips, but then it gives a slight tint, so which is really beautiful. I mean, which is really glossy, and it gives a very beautiful look to your lips, and this is also hydrating as well. You have multiple other choices as well. This is just a suggestion from my end, and in Nykaa it comes for below 100 rupees. Mostly you will find this for 99 rupees. So in that way, this is a great deal. So this is my next product. Let's talk about a sunscreen. So here I am showing you Pond's sunscreen, which comes with SPF 30, and you also have various other sunscreens like Lotus, Lakme. You have multiple sunscreens with higher SPF as well. Though higher SPF is very good for your skin, you can also adjust with this SPF 30 as well. So one thing I would like to talk about this is really good sunscreen, because it has a very nice creamy texture, guys. This doesn't have a gel like formula. This has a creamy texture which also serves as a day cream for your skin, so you don't have to apply multiple products on your skin. So though in any days if you're not willing to apply a makeup, then you can just apply this Pond's sunscreen, and it gives a very creamy look, which gives a, which acts as a substitute of a day cream as well. So you can just suffice with this one product itself. So this is really great product and I really liked it, guys. So this doesn't give any white cast on your skin, and at the same time it protects you from the harmful rays. This is a really good sunscreen. If anyone of you are looking out for a budget friendly sunscreen, then you can definitely go for this. This comes for 90 rupees. This is a great product, guys. So this is my next product. As a beginner with minimalistic products, you would like to do the makeup, right? So I am not going in detail. I mean, I am not going to include any concealer, any highlighter or any blush or anything like that. I'm just going to show you a very basic makeup kit, guys. So the next product that I'm going to show you is a BB cream. So you have various options again in this. If you do not want to include foundation, then you can definitely include BB cream. So BB cream has a full coverage, and this is just superb, acts as a foundation only, guys. This acts as a foundation. So this also acts as a foundation and gives a flawless look to your the regular makeup. So this is just superb. So BB cream is just actually superb. It serves a great it actually works very good on your skin, guys. So you don't feel like applying foundation, because this satisfies you as this gives a great result as the foundation. My regular product since years, guys. So I am not towards foundation, but I am completely towards a BB cream, because this gives a very good finish to your makeup. So I really like it. So for any beginner who are trying to find out a makeup look, then you can definitely go for this BB cream, guys. So this comes for this is below 100 rupees, for 70 rupees, something like that. This is 9 grams packaging. You also have bigger sizes as well. So you have under 2 to 3 shades, I guess. So this is 01 original, and this this is very good on my skin. So I always use this same shade. So if you have an option to choose multiple shades, then you can definitely go for that according to your skin type. So this is a really good product, guys. For beginners, this is just great. The next product that I'm going to show you is a compact powder. So this is from Maybelline New York Super Fresh White Super Fresh Compact Powder. So this is actually a very good compact powder, guys, because I really liked it, and every time I'm emptying this, I am just restocking this because this is just super. But nowadays I'm not finding this White Super Fresh thing. Nowadays in the market the Fit Me range is available, but then that is also good. So I'll just give a review of this and that in my next video whenever it is possible. So this is my next favorite compact powder. I must say this is very superb, guys. This is just superb. It sets your makeup so flawless, and it gives that superb matte look. This is just superb, guys. This doesn't give any oily look or anything like that. This just completely settles your makeup, and it gives a very matte look. The pigmentation and everything is just superb. As you can see, this suits really good on my skin tone. So this is just superb, guys. It also has a very mild fragrance, which is just superb. It has a very soothing smell. It doesn't irritate, and anyone who are looking for a best compact powder can definitely go for this. This is just great deal, guys. So this comes for again some 110 rupees, I guess. So this is 8 grams packaging, and I think this comes for around 110 rupees. I purchased this long back. I don't remember how much it costed, but yeah, below 150 you will get this, guys. So this is a really good product. So yeah, this is my next product. Okay, now let's move on to eye category. So for eye makeup, I have 3 products with me. One is a kajal. So this is L18 Eye Drama Kajal. This is very useful for beginners, guys. This is just a superb deal. Who is looking for a budget friendly kajal, then you can definitely go for this. This comes for around 80 rupees. Below 100 rupees, if you are looking for a good kajal, then you can definitely go for this. This is waterproof, smudge proof, and long lasting as well. For a decent amount of time it stays on your eyes. So this is just superb, guys. So this one thing that I would like to say about this is this has slightly a greasy texture, but other than that, this is just superb, guys. So yeah, this is really good product. So if you would like to see this thing, so it is jet black. So this is just highly pigmented, and it is just superb, guys. This gives a very bold black look to your eyes. So yeah, this is a great kajal. If anyone of you are looking for a budget friendly kajal, then you can definitely go for this. Next, I would like to talk about an eyeliner. So for eyeliners, again, you have multiple options available. So below 100 you have, above 100 costlier one, multiple ranges you have. So below 100, I would say there are many other brands like Blue Heaven and everything like that. When compared with Blue Heaven, I would say Dazzler is superb, guys. When compared with Blue Heaven sometimes the consistency differs, guys. So I think sometimes it becomes clotted. Like, I don't know, I did not like the consistency of Blue Heaven, but it was giving a very good perfect eyeliner look. But then the consistency, sometimes if you are not using for 2 to 3 days, when you take that out, some liquid will be separated from that, and some substance will be separated. So I didn't like that for a very long time on your eyes as well. So this is a great deal, not only for beginners, for anyone who are looking for a very good eyeliner, that you can definitely go for ITEX Dazzler. This is just superb, guys, and it retails for around 40 rupees. So it is below 50 rupees actually. This is really great eyeliner, guys. So this is my next product. Now, if you are looking for a mascara, then I would say Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara is just superb. You have two variants available in this. One is waterproof and other one is washable. So this is a washable one, but still, though this is washable, this stays for, I already had a wear test with this. So in that I used, till from morning to evening I applied. Even in between I have slept as well, but then the mascara was so perfect, and it gives a very good finish as if you have applied some false lashes. So as you can see, I have today as if I have applied some fake lashes. It is so perfect and it is so defined. I am really liking this mascara, guys. So this is the washable one. You also have waterproof one, but even then, if you have face wash for once, even then it is staying. So you have to clean it very hardly, only when it goes out of your lashes, guys. So this is really superb, and this can be purchased by everyone, not only for beginners, but everyone can purchase this, because this is just superb. And I would say this is must avoidable in your makeup kit, because this gives a very good difference to your eyelashes, guys. So I am really in love with this. So this costed me around I think this costed me around some 180 something like that. So in Nykaa, one of the sales, I bought this. So this was retailed for 50% offer, something was going on. So purchases, I think that for MRP it is around 250 to 260 rupees, I guess. I'll give it in the screen, guys. The rate I'll give it on the screen. I'm not remembering exactly, but this is a very great deal. I suggest each one of you to purchase. Lipstick, I would say lipstick, again you have multiple options available. If you're looking for a very budget friendly lipstick, then you can go for L18 matte lipstick. So that is a very affordable and a very good lipstick, which comes for 75 rupees. That is a really good lipstick. But other than that, if you're looking for liquid lipsticks, then you can go for Nykaa liquid lipstick. So because it also has mini versions available in it, and it comes for around 200 rupees like that. So yeah, you can go for that. And so for lipstick, you have multiple options like Nykaa, Lakme, Maybelline. You have many other options available. The freedom is up to you, guys. You can choose whatever lipstick you feel like, but I would say this is really good lipstick. So this also has a mini version launched by Nykaa. So this liquid lipsticks are doing a great job, I must say. And you also have multiple shades which suits each and every skin type. So you have that choice to select your perfect shade from the mini version. So this, I really like this, and you have multiple shades suitable for all the skin types. So you can just look at that. So this is my next suggestion. And finally, I would like to talk about a lip liner. So for lip liners always do a great job, because if sometimes the shades may not suit your skin type. So instead of wasting your lipstick, you can adjust that with a lip liner and make it wearable on your lips. So I was doing this trick, and it really saved me from wastage, guys. So there are two of my lipsticks which was not perfect for my skin tone. So what I did is I tried using those lipsticks with this lip liners, and it really worked out, and it was just superb on my lips, guys. So from In Color, so brand In Color, so Lip Color Intense lip pencil lip liner. So this is under the shade Bobby Brown. So this comes for around 40 rupees, 35 rupees. So I purchased this from Nykaa. So if anyone of you are looking for a lip liner below 50 rupees, you can definitely go for this. This is really good, guys, and this is highly pigmented, and it gives a very good finish to your lips. It also acts as a lip crayon. You can use this even as a lip crayon, because this is so soft, pigmented, and gives a very beautiful finish to your lips, guys. So I really liked it. So this is my next suggestion. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. So these are my suggestions for a beginner's makeup kit. So hope you have liked it. If you need any of this product, I'll just leave the links of all of these products in the description box below. Please do check the description box. and wear your favorite products. So that is all for today. So hope you have liked my video and content. If you're liking my video, please like, share and subscribe, and under notifications enable all so that you will receive the notifications of all the videos that I upload in future. So that's all for today guys. So see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.